see
MacBook.
the internals of your MacBook Pro.
This is your hard drive.
This is your
don't touch your
cable.
Yeah.
Can you just
do an anti-start so that you don't mess up with something?
Yeah, so just make sure you release the static electricity on the body, and you can see the.
This is the beautiful part. This is the hard drive.
Beautiful hard
this
drive.
is your DVD-ROM. With this, I hope you got a DVD-ROM, not the normal thing. These are the two fans. I don't know where the CPU is. Somewhere down here. This is your light sensors. Here you can see that. And now comes the tricky and the funny part. You still haven't done with all the screws. You have to take out these two. For that, you have to take this tape off. And if you see, this thing is a little bit sticked onto this plate.
It's some sort of a sensor to sense the fall of the hard drive or so, which sticks on the top surface of your hard drive. So we just need to release this particular part which sticks on the top of your hard drive. Let me catch it for you.
Thank you, Mr. Rajesh. So we'll begin with unscrewing this part.
Don't come too behind, your screws are aligned perfectly proper.
And you know we need to pry this open. So we will use this our screwdriver to do this job.
It's just a piece of tape.
It will reattach, don't worry about that.
Yeah.
Actually, if you can get it out without taking it out, nothing like it. But you know, it's Apple. If it can be done easily, they would have done it. So what we'll do is that I'll just leave it here. So you can see these two screws out here. So we'll take it out. And actually, I need to disconnect these wires first, so that I don't accidentally pull it out.
Let me just show them. So there is like a couple of jump
two connectors,
what you can see.
You just gently need to pull it up.
Them. Yeah.
It helps if you have nails. See, it comes off gently.
Yeah.
And same it goes with this one.
I want me to pull it? I can do it. I have nails.
As I told you, nails help. And this is it.
Yeah.
So now your hard drive is ready to come out. So we'll take it out the screws. Oh, I think this is also a torque T6. So here you require that other thing. Torque T6. Where is the torque T6?
Oh, it's there on the side. Here, it's here.
Oh yeah. These are the pains which you have with this guy. Oh, it's a fairly normal process.
If you see the other videos on YouTube which talk about replacing the hard drive, one additional step that they would advise is to
take out this wire, but I will not go with that.
Yeah, we would not do that. We'll try to make it more simpler here. And also I'm not removing the hard drive, the keyboard completely. If you see, we are just holding it here and we are not disconnecting the keyboard
But if you're
connector.
Alone, I believe probably you might have to do that.
Yeah, here we are two of us, who are trying to coordinate the entire process.
It's good to have a friend help you out in here.
It becomes all the more easier, and make sure you don't dismantle too many components out of your precious Mac.
And this comes off. Now you see, this is just a piece of iron or something like that which is holding it. You can just gently prick it out, and your tape may have some problem letting it go, but here now it is out. So now here you have to take your hard drive out. So to do that, you need to
first you have to take the the one which is sticking right now in. That is something you need to remove first. You remember?
Yeah, we need to remove that.
So, a soft surface. That I can do for you. I can slowly pull it. I know that trick. वो यहाँ दे दो. I'll do it. Yeah. No, slow करने का है. वो बहुत slow करने का. It's like pulling that. Yeah.
You have to be very careful here.
Extremely gentle, because there
just don't put so much force.
Yeah.
It's just wires which is going. It looks like some tape, but actually it's just wires which is going here.
See, as he's doing extremely slow, it might take a couple of minutes, but at the end of see, it's slowly coming out. You can stick it back, once we are done with the swap of the hard drive. It's fairly simple process to stick the whole thing back in.
And that's it, guys. Now you are ready to take out your hard drive. It's very easy. So just take this thing and pull it up slowly. And then slide it up.
And you'll have to
and
disconnect
here you see this is the
eSATA.
connector, eSATA, not eSATA, it's just SATA connector.
SATA connector, sorry.
Just gently pry it out.
And it's going to come off.
And it's off.
There you go.
And my dear friends, you have successfully extracted your hard drive out of your MacBook.
So now we are going to, we'll be coming back for the next presentation in about, in the next video, where we show you how to reassemble the entire process.
You need to have your hard drive first, okay,
Yeah,
guys?
so
otherwise you'll just come like here and I don't know what to do.
So Navin has a 500 gig hard drive with him, which he's trying to replace right now.